La, what is that? What sound is that, Nakam? Did you hear it? La, la. What's that? Did you hear? Someone is knocking on the door? La. Can you check it out? Can you check, Sasha? Who's that? Who's that one? No. Looking out there at the door. Sasha. No. Little creature. The destroyer of my Cymbidium plants. You see? Oh. Who's that one, Sasha? Who's that? Oh. Fall asleep na? Sasha! Sasha! Sleeping time? Not yet. You need to eat your food later. You hasn't eat your dinner. Look, what's that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that one? Did you hear it? Look. What's that? Did you hear? Someone is calling you? Sasha? They're calling for Sasha? Look. 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 Look, Billy scared now. Feel sleepy? Look. Look. Someone is knocking at the windows. Who's it? Can you check it out? Can you check it out? Oh, this is the one knocking at the window. It's Lucky. How are you, Lucky? What you want? Lucky? What you want? You want to come in? No, you cannot come in. Mama closed the door.